Forex trading 101. Nimekuja nipeane a few pointers about forex trading so that when you are joining, you don't lose money immediately or a lot of money immediately you join. So hizi ni vitu zenye ukifuata then immediately una join utakosa kulose pesa mingi ama kulose pesa vile kila mtu kuja they lose then they go out there na wanasema forex ni sim 2. Now straight to the point, lesson number 1, when you are starting off forex trading, and when I say forex trading, I mean trading in all. Be it you're trading in crypto, you're trading in stocks, or any form of trading, and you need a broker, and then that connects to the market, and you trade. At any one point, if you don't want to lose a lot of money, the very first thing, if you're just starting off, start with a demo account. Get a broker on that. Open an account. Like now, personally, I use Exness. Exness is one of those brokers. So you go to Exness, you open an account. Once you've opened an account with Exness, don't put your funds there. They have a demo account. Join through the demo account. Ukifungua demo account, your demo account usifanye nini, usiweke, inakujanga like $1 million account. So it does not really give you a true picture of your own account. If that demo account can be as small as maybe $1,000, then in that particular case you start having a feel, because $1,000 utapata zingine ilianza na 1,000 imeenda to zero. Umeingia na $1,000 when you're starting your trading, umechukua a bad lot, a stop loss peke yake. Stop loss pia utajua ni nini, hizo endelea kujisomea na find out, but utapata drawdown kwamba ikienda chini against you unapata $1,000 imekuwa reached, unajua nilieka lot kubwa zaidi. So try to always stick to $1,000, because hata wakati utakuwa na kuna kitu wenye I'm going to advocate later inaitwa a prop firm account, a funded account. Hata ukiwa na funded account itakuwa 10,000, 100,000, bado kuna kuanga na $1,000 limit, kwamba one either per day isiwe iteremka to $1,000 ama in a month isiwe iteremka to $1,000. So it is proper that we mwenyewe umeshajifunza how to play within $1,000 isiwe iteremka hapo. So that is one of those things. Open an account with a broker like Exness. Once you've opened an account, go to a demo account and trade the demo in a realistic amount. Na realistic amount, try to be working with that $1,000. Unaona una lose after how many trades and all that. Then if you've just joined, kuna masomo mingi, a lot of things to study. Use ChatGPT. ChatGPT will guide you as a trainer. Utakuwa unaenda huko una have conversation. ChatGPT itakuwa inakuguide vizuri, and that way I think it will really be a wonderful learning session enye haiko na noise. Because ukikuja huku kwa videos za YouTube, you'll have a million people with a million ideas that are not straight to the point you want to ask. Go to ChatGPT. If it is about candles, ask. Then main candles. Like I would always say, when you're in your demo account, you don't know anything, but unaangalia demo account ikibehave. That way, ukiona vile ina behave, you play with it. The first time I tried, nilikuanga na Binance. Ilikuanga only on cryptos. I lost $200, but I did not know that this demo. I went straight to a funded account. I put my $200, nikapata imekuwa 240, nikaja nikalose hiyo 240, ikarudi chini, ikabidi ni up my stake yote 240, ikaenda nikabaki na zero na sijai load anything on Binance again. Nikaenda nikafungua another account inaitwa Deriv. Kwenda Deriv ikakuwa when it comes to withdraw you have to sell through P2P. Hii kanisumbua, nikashindwa how can I put money so easy, but to withdraw the bank won't allow I withdraw to the bank. I can't get money into my bank and I can't get money into my mobile money. Hivyo nikakuja nikasema if it's 2P2P now I lose money, because when you do P2P unapata scammers huko nje, they tell you you just lose money on the P2P. So nikashindwa kufanya hiyo, then nikakuja nikapata Exness. Exness you can withdraw straight to my mobile money. I can load money from mobile money. I don't have to attach my bank into it. Then I realized okay, Exness worked for me, but I'd already lost money on hiyo story yangu ya I went straight to a funded account. Start with a demo account. Now, having said that, once you are in and now umeanza kulearn, what are the first things to learn? You will start, the first thing to learn is vile market when ina behave. Kuna kwa na uptrend, kuna kuanga market kisha trend uptrend, hiyo ni market inapanda, bei inapanda. So ukiingia hapo in the demo account utaona wakati market inapanda, vile inapanda, style gani inapandanga, but one thing you'll notice ni prices are going up. Utakuja utaona market ikienda chini. Market ikienda chini, hiyo ni ilianza juu, maybe ilifika at the resistance, so price inashuka pole, na utaona vile ina behave really. If you have in the demo, in that instead of me explaining, utaona kwamba hata wakati inashuka inashuka iki move. Hiyo pia ni very important. So open a demo account. In the demo account with your broker, open demo, set it to $1,000 or work with $1,000 ikikuanga ndio fund uko nayo. See how fast you lose, how many trades did you take before lose, how many from 1,000, how did you grow it, with how many trades did you go hivyo. Then utaanza kuona ikishuka chini against you, how far deep does it go before it goes up and you win, ama something like that. So hiyo ya kurudi chini, it will make you know when to put your stop loss. Stop loss ni wakati niko na trade nimeweka setup, ikikuja mpaka a certain level, count me out completely, remove me from this trade. Na wakati inaenda juu, take profit pia utakuja uone, if I fail to take profit at this many pips, nimeenda mpaka hapa na siku take profit, ilishuka. So you learn also how far high it goes, and it is good to take, otherwise you find ime deep, either ime reduce ama imekurudisha back to where you are na umekosa nini. So that is lesson number 1, and that lesson can only be learned yourself. Ukikuja uanze kusoma hizi vitu zote, there are many books about trading. Ukianza kuzisoma utabombard yourself with a lot of ideas, you will never grow, you'll get scared. In candles, there are million forms of candles and forms of many names. Not all of them zitakwanga zinakushake your world, but kuna candles zile zenye zinasemanga story mob sana. Kuna candle inafanya sweep, ukikuja unaona sweep utajua ni nini. Pia ukianza kwenda kwa demo utaona candle limeteremka sana, mkia refu sana, imeenda kuactivate order za watu na ikarudi nyuma tena ikawatoa wote na ikakula pesa yao. Hiyo candle ya sweep ni muhimu because it tells you a story, a sweep has happened. It also tells you where to put your stop loss, kwamba up to down here ni muhimu. Another thing, another big kuna Marubozu, I think inaitwa Marubozu, the very big candle lenye nasanga let's go. Hiyo ni candle inakwambia sasa tu hii iko na story definite, inasema it's going, it's happening. Alafu kuna candle lingine hapo ya tena ya tatu ya muhimu sana pia usema story, ni candle inaitwa Doji. Doji pia utaiona ni kakando kamkia na body ni thin. Sasa hiyo candle pia inakuanga kama iko karibu na support ama na resistance, ikiwa kwa support ama resistance, ukiona inakwambia inarudi. Kama ilikuwa inakuja chini, inaenda juu. Kama uko juu na uione, unajua inarudi chini. So zinaweza kuwa na different names. The names are not important. It's the story. It's what they are telling you is about to happen in the market. Now, hiyo ndio the most important thing. So where you want to see it more than just learn the theory, then go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will teach you now, even this is the meaning. How did it behave? Have a conversation with ChatGPT freely, and you will learn a million things. So that is my video number 1. And one thing you don't be tempted to put your money there in these accounts immediately, that you're going to grow your money immediately. And I will tell you something as we move forward, that if you have $10 ukianza kusema, because that is the minimum even in Exness, $10 is the minimum and unaweza ingia nayo into trading. But mimi nitasema, if you are straight away learning na ifike mahali you are now comfortable, and you're not comfortable when you're still learning candles, learning uptrends, up consolidation or downtrend, or which candles say which story, you're not yet ready. Easy, kwanza ingia kwa hiyo penye nimekwambia, fanya practice, know all you can do. Then once you ukifeel unataka kwenda safari, usiwe $10 utakuwa umegamba, because hata pia angalia several pairs that are there, so that you know which pairs, how pairs behave. Kila pair wange na behave differently, kila pair iko na different price. Gold sells at the actual price of gold, that is the quote. So inamaanisha you're buying a very small fraction, but each fraction, like 0.01 lot, they're sold in lots. Each of those lots cost different depending on the pair, product, be it oil. Oil is in barrels. So 0.01 lot is, I think, 10 barrels. So meaning 0.1 is 100 barrels from 10, and then one lot will be maybe 1,000 barrels. So you have to think, you will see that each 0.01 of every pair, every product, be it a share or everything, has a different value, and that also implies the profits that you get and the losses it can also give you. So hizo zote, and go play with it, master that, then we can go into, after umeona vile ina behave, utaangalia lesson number 2. So first, don't put your money. Now lesson number 2 nita discuss ni kama at some point, maybe not number 2 necessarily, itakuwa ni instead of trading your own $30, tafuta $60 kwanza, enda fungua account, direct account ya prop firm. Not that you might not make money, you might blow the account, but you're going to blow the $60 anyway, even if you put them small in 10, bado utazikula tu. Rather you open kuna direct funded accounts. Open direct funded account with a prop firm. Here to discuss on another video. Now once you open, that is my take, that don't do $10 trades, because at some point you keep losing. But ukifungua a prop firm, you find if the prop firm has given you $5,000 account, $10,000 account, the maximum you can lose in the entire duration of that account is maybe $1,000. In a day is, let's say, $300. Then now continue with your 0.01 lot and then see how far you can trade. Maybe you'll get your money back. Maybe you'll even get your money back with profits. But we can only go to address that once we have addressed one thing, that you went to the demo, you practiced with $1,000 or less, you made profit consistently, kitu kama hiyo yenye na make sense. You understand when markets are uptrend, downtrend, consolidation, the candles that make sense, that you must know when they tell you something about to happen. And if you're going to use some analysis tools other than support, and utajua support ni wapi, support ni penye inakuja bei inafika chini inapanda, na hivyo tu utaona tu. So those are things you learn by yourself as you go, but all these things you learn across support and resistance, and unaenda una have conversation na ChatGPT, enda wavio, then the next video tuta learn something else.